Hi, welcome. What would you like today?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Will you drink it here or take it with you?
I will take it with me, please.
No problem. Which coffee would you like?
I would like dark roast coffee.
Good choice. What size would you like?
A medium, please.
Of course. Would you like milk, cream, or sugar?
I would like cream and 1 sugar.
Okay, I will make it now.
Thank you.
Here is your coffee. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $4.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Hello. Hi, how can I help you? Do you have tea? Yes, we have black tea, green tea, and herbal tea. I would like green tea, please. Sure, here or to go? I will drink it here. Would you like something to eat? What snacks do you have? We have cookies, muffins, and cake. Do you have sandwiches? Sorry, we are out of sandwiches. That's okay, I will take 2 cookies. Sure, anything else? No, thank you. Your total is $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I have the receipt, please? Here you are. Thank you. Have a great day.